now is 172. If they keep on scoring like this, if is the operative word, because the main batsman, the man in form, is back to the dugout. Not to forget, Babul is still there. If he stays for the entire 20 overs, maybe they can reach 160ish, 170ish. And Babul told Paddy during the toss that 170 is the score they are looking at. Go ball.
The Diamonds from Darbhanga along with Angika Avengers, they look like the team to beat. That is a shot to beat. There you go, smack down the ground over there. Perfectly bisecting the long off and the long on fielder. And there you go. That's confidence for you. That's the captain, the skipper, Babul Kumar for you. Over pitched. Charged down beautifully. Just read the length really quickly over there. No problem whatsoever. And that just induces so much of confidence if you're a batsman. Not that short, still hit towards a little wide of long on over there. End of the over. 8 gone, it's 71 for 2. Match number 7 of the Bihar cricket. Playing their last match, the 4th game. They're on 4 points. If they win this one, then they'll finish in the top 2. So it's an important match for them. It's an important match for the Patna Pilots as well, Sunil. At spot. At Gaya, who lost both their matches. 4 points, Patna should feel confident that they will be playing the semi-finals. So it works out like this right now. Angika Avengers have 4 points. Angika Diamonds, if they win this match, the teams that meanwhile beautifully played by Rajneesh. First boundary for Rajneesh. Played in the air, but in the gap as well. He knew exactly where the fielders were. Back-to-back boundaries for could this be the big over? Samarkand Adri. It was very economical yesterday. They picked up those 2. The Banga Diamonds, they've lost only 1, playing their last match. They're left with 2, so if they win 1 also, they'll be on 6. That means it's Bhagalpur, Patna and Gaya who will be slugging out for the last 2 spots.